In this video, we'll show you how to quickly, easily and professionally unhide a column in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's waste no time on this one. We can see that column B is hidden because it jumps straight from column A to column C. All you do is click and drag in the A across to the C in the grey column headings, and then right click either one of those column headings and select unhide, and there column B is now unhidden. If you want to hide it again, just right click in the same place, click hide, and the column's gone. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.